So we'll just going to start a new discussion. Yeah, the discussion will be based on few things related to, you can say, relations and functions. We'll start with a question. Let us take a question. So one question we tried yesterday, and science key method we discussed. Okay, so we'll just take one more question here. Okay. Science key method we discussed this yesterday, and now we are in a position to discuss one more question. Based on that, there are multiple questions actually. We need to try every question. Okay, so what I'm going to try is we have an equation x square minus x minus 1 less than 0. We need to solve it. Now for solving this, we can initially convert this if possible. So 2 ones are 2, we can write or not, let us see. We can write this. So we can write this, it is greater than, not possible to write like this, is less than 0. So finding the critical values, so on factorizing this, can we factorize this or not? Firstly, is it possible to factorize this? X square minus x, we get okay, we get So what we can say here, you have to vectorize this, right? Okay, vectorizing. So we have to vectorize this. For that, let us say on comparing with standard form, we have ax square plus bx plus c. A is equal to 1, b is equal to -1, c is equal to -1. Therefore, discriminant is equal to, or the roots for this will be minus b square minus 4 a c upon 2a. So it will be 5 by 2. Okay. So x is equal to 1 plus root 5 by 2 or 1 minus root 5 by 2. So on the number line, basically we will have 2 points. Now we have to define whether it is 1 plus root 5 by 2 and minus. Okay. So on the number line, we can have a marking of this. On the number line, we can say we can have a marking of this. Okay. So let us say this 1 minus will be root 5 is 2 point something. So what is the value of root 5? That is 2.23. Okay. Overall, what is the value here? We have to analyze that also. So if I write it properly, it will be what? X will be equal to 1.61, 1.618, or what we will see here, 1 minus so point negative 0.618. So these are difference. I can say that this and this 1 minus root 5 and this 1 plus root 5. This is written here. Now whenever some value is more than that, inequality we are having that is less than 0. Okay, more positive value if you're keeping x square minus x minus 1. X square minus x minus 1 less than 0 for x is equal to 1.7. This is a 1.618 and this is, so how to do here, 1.7 so we have x square minus x minus 1 is less than 0, and let us say we are putting this value here. Is it less than 0 or not? We'll just check it with the help of some calculator. So it is, what is the value here? Let us see, it is 1 minus, so it implies this 1.7 whole square minus 1.7 minus 1 is equal to, what happened? Okay, 1.7 whole square minus 1.7 minus 1. So in this case, this will be positive. This is positive, and something, let us say you are taking a value 1.5 you are taking. For x is equal to 1.5 is less than that value we are taking, then what will happen? So 1.5 whole square minus So 1.5 whole square. So this will be resulting to again a positive value, obviously 1.75. So we have to check it again because okay, no problem, I'll check it again. 1.5 whole square minus 1.5. So again subtraction of 1, so negative 0.25 is coming up. Negative 0.25. It means that this is negative. And again, you can check for this part. Zero will lead to negative 0 if you're going with it is so minus when we are getting minus, which is less than 0. So for 1.5 we're getting negative 0.25, so negative is there, and lesser than this it was negative 0.61. That is negative 1 we are taking then, let's say. Lesser than this, obviously it will be. So we are taking negative 1. So now in the case of negative 1 we have 1 plus 1 minus, so it is greater than 0, it is becoming to be positive. Okay, so we require something, so for the final answer as per the science key method, this is called as science key method. Science key method. So here it is done. Therefore, x lies between these two ranges. That is negative 1 minus the root 5 by 2 and 1 plus root 5 by 2. Therefore, x belongs to 1 minus root 5 by 2 and 1 plus root 5 by 2. This is the answer. Okay. So we'll just close the session here.